Yes.
So what is your story? Because you're assisting Mr. Barji today, but he want me to talk to you.
Okay.
So I'm curious as to what we must talk to you about. So what is the story?
Well, this story is want some help my farm, you know. Yes.
He's a farmer.
Yeah.
Yes, and you want some help.
Yes, you need some help.
All right, talk to us now then. What you need help with?
Like seed or fertilizer, whatever. Yeah.
You need help with the seeds because the
Yes.
seeds are expensive. What kind of seeds?
Any one of them.
Anyone, whether vegetable seeds, so cabbage, carrot,
Any one of them.
tomato.
Any one of them. Sweet pepper. Yeah.
You have to tell the people where you want them to go see you.
Yeah.
So you're saying that you need some help with seeds,
Yeah.
right?
Fertilizer and whatever. Yeah. Yeah.
How long have you been doing farming?
About 50 years now.
50 years?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, and that's all you've been doing all your life?
Yes.
Yes? So currently what do you have planted?
Well, I have to go Irish. But I have no lights of him hold it.
Oh,
But me plant on the red dirt.
yes.
Yeah.
So it's the Liza and maybe spray and those
Yes, and
things that
spray,
is
yeah.
a challenge for you?
Yes.
Okay, I see. All right, so currently now you're asking for some help.
Yeah.
And you're asking for help with seeds, whether it be cabbage, carrot,
Any
tomatoes,
one of them, yeah.
sweet pepper, you say,
Yeah.
anything,
Any one of them.
right? Lettuce,
Any one
pak
of them
choy,
we get-
anyone.
Anyone we get.
Anyone in
satisfied.
getting take, all right? And so you need some help with that.
Yes.
Okay, so viewers and subscribers, please, if it is that you're able to assist Mr. Coley with any of those things that he listed that you would need help with, please go ahead and do so. We're pleading with you. Right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. So if it is that you get these seeds now, you would be better able to do some more farming.
Yes.
Right, because as it is, you're unable to afford to purchase the seeds.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You want to know something? I'm encouraging, if I work at him,
Yes,
you know, that work around the clock.
he works hard.
My God,
Yes.
work very hard.
Wow. So you're a hard worker,
Yeah,
but you
man.
just need some help.
Yeah.
So how has the farming been treating you though?
Well,
Has
and
it been
every time-
difficult?
Yeah, man. I know every time I catch it still, you know. Sometimes I have drought.
Yeah.
Which almost a red dirt me work on. Yeah.
So sometimes you plant the crops and you know
And
get
you no catch it.
you know catch none at all.
No.
Oh, so you lose.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Oh my goodness.
I look at Irish pan the red dot for in a March. I'm not
Yes.
get nothing.
Yes.
I get nothing out there. Up on the
Okay.
plan no rain about fall. So,
So you think something wrong with the soil?
I don't know if soil I trust too, no rain or fall.
No
and-
rain.
Yeah, and you know grow.
The season. Okay, okay. Okay, and that is why you're asking for help now, because those things that you would have planted, you lost all of those.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, all right. Understand. All right, so you're asking for help, and we hope that you'll get some help to purchase the seeds. All right, Mr. Coley,
All right.
just talk to us, Mr. Coley, about the Irish potato that you say you planted. How much did you plant?
Well, how much? 14 crate me plant.
14 crates.
Yeah.
How big is that property that you planted it on?
A good amount of land, man. To see them find and take enough land.
And how is that doing now?
You know, me plant for one, the 23 of August. Yeah, so them, I go spray them tomorrow.
Okay. How long
First
normally
spray.
the Irish potato take to come in?
By November, them supposed to be ready.
By November?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So up until that time, all you have to do is just ensure that you spray it and so on.
Yes, so I go get for spray tomorrow.
So in terms of the Irish potato now, is it affected by the weather? So you know it's September and we're having a lot of rains.
No, me no feel say rain, I go do it, nothing drop on red dirt today.
Oh,
Yeah.
so what's the difference if it is on the red dirt as opposed to black dirt?
The black dirt different. If you plant it on the black dirt, you know it go be too much water, so you know go be nothing.
Oh, so the black dirt absorb the water and hold
Yes,
it?
yes.
It hold the water?
Yes, black dirt hold the water, but the red dirt no hold no water.
Oh, it run off?
Yeah.
Okay, I get you. I get you. Okay. So, all right. So, earlier you mentioned that you needed help with the seeds. So, what I want to ask you as well, because you said you would have planted some other things on the red dirt and you lost it.
Yeah, me have black dirt can plant things plant.
Oh, so if you get them now, you go plant them on the black
me have
dirt.
black dirt. Me wouldn't challenge the red dirt with it.
Yes,
Me have
yes.
plant it on the black dirt.
Okay.
Yeah.
And those things you planted, the season you normally plant it in, it would be the ideal season?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it's just maybe bad luck why
Yeah,
them just don't come
summertime.
in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
6
Wow.
August, me 53.
Yeah? Wow, that's Independence Day?
Yes. Yeah, man.
Oh, wow. So you're doing some hard work today and I don't want to keep you because you're actually transporting some cabbage to the road.
Yes, yeah.
All right, so it has been a pleasure talking to you. All
Okay,
right.
yeah. Thank you.
All right, so hi, Mr. Carlos. How are you?
I'm not so bad. I'm at the farm, you know.
Yes, so I can see. So today you are actually transporting some cabbage to the road.
Yeah, right.
Right. So you are a farmer?
Yeah.
What are some of the things that you plant?
Yam and carrot.
Oh, you plant yam?
Yeah, and sweet potato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you plant sweet potato as well?
Yeah, but none is not ready right now.
Oh, okay, okay. So you plant on those crops on a wide scale?
No, I mean I have the amount of land to plant it, so just plant what I can get. Like when reaping time, I can have something for my house and
Yes.
everything, you know.
Oh,
and have
okay.
the yard money and make my daughter to go to school and so.
Yes. So you just plant so that you can manage the household
Yeah,
and take
yeah.
care of your family.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
And some of the time help Mr. Francis and help Mr. Coley same time too, you know.
Yes. Who you call Mr. Francis? Barry G?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Barry G is Mr. Francis. Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Okay. So would you be willing to do farming on a large scale?
Yeah, if me have the land.
Oh, so it's a land that is your
Yeah, the
cry.
land are my problem now.
Oh, because most times the farmers have to rent the land.
Yeah, and some of the place where I get the land for rent,
It's not ideal
it
for
bad.
farming.
It bad. Yeah. Start it now all 4 or 5 months down the line before you can start do yard upon it, you know.
Yeah, because you have to clean it up.
Yeah.
Oh,
Get
I
it
see.
plow up and do what you have to do.
Yeah. Are there any other difficulties you face as a farmer? Because I hear you talk about the land, so I know that is a challenge.
Yeah.
What are some of the other challenges you face as a farmer?
Like you get the Liza kind of dear.
Lands are expensive. Yes.
Working man money, our next problem again. Because of
Yes.
4,000 a day you have to give them
Yeah.
lunch or something. You understand?
Oh, so it's either you give them $4,000 per day and lunch, or you give them $5,000 without lunch.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is another challenge as well.
Yeah.
So the farmers face a myriad of challenges.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you were to ask for help with anything, or if you would like, if there's anything that you would like to see change that could make life a bit easier for the farmers, what would it be?
Well, right now, I don't see it to get easier. I don't see it to get easier because, you know, say, these things they might do to sell, but it's cheap. You understand?
So the things to
cheap.
take care of the farm is expensive.
Yeah, the chemical and lies them dear more than the what you sell.
Right, so but when the crops come in and you're to sell it, it's very cheap.
Yeah, because when you're done
Okay.
it, if it, so probably see the cabbage right now, the cabbage you walk small money. So if you take up 1,000 weight of cabbage, you walk money, you have to pay 3 or 4 man for the day.
Yeah, so
And
you
when
lose
when
right
you're
there,
done,
so.
you don't make nothing, because you have to pay the man and turn and buy back chemical and buy back seal. So you're not going to make nothing to yourself there. So.
Yes, yes, me understand.
But
So
if
you're-
you're ready still, it spray even there same way more than the cabbage. Yeah, Liza on next thing again. And every week you have to spray the cabbage.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, every week you have to spray the cabbage. And
Right.
you have man for weed it out, same way, and mold it or something.
So everything is a challenge.
Everything is a challenge.
So even though you say you don't see it getting any better, what if it is that we were to have price decreases? That would help somewhat.
Yeah, if you
Cut- right.
crap did sell for money, it'll work out better.
Oh, so it's either you have a decrease in the price of the chemicals and the spray and labor, or an increase when you sell the product.
Yeah.
Right, then it would have worked out a little better.
A bit better, yeah.
Wow, so why you keep doing farming? It has so many challenges to it. Why do you keep doing it?
I have no other choice.
You have no choice.
I no other choice. Better you go do it more, you go take gun or make
Yeah.
police kill or man go kill it already, you
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
So you just take the day out and go do it and get a little money for going back, go put
Yeah.
down for your family, you can save for about 1,000
Yeah.
and go back tomorrow again, you understand?
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. Wow.
But if you the weekend, so you can have money. So you can live something in your yard and buy your food stuff and
Yeah.
back to school, your daughter snacks or something.
Yeah.
And
So even though it's
you have to
hard,
do.
it still puts food on the table.
right.
So you have to keep
You have to
going.
do it, yeah.
Wow.
Better off more than sit down on the road at the time or something. You understand?
I go, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. But you love farming though.
Yeah, because you don't say it to born here, you know.
Yes, you keep doing
So you have
it.
to continue to do it.
Because you young too. You look pretty young. And you have been doing farming. Farming is what you do.
From born night, me, I do.
Yeah, yeah, and you love it.
Yeah.
But it's just a small little
It's small.
challenges, you know, that
Yeah.
you are up against that makes it
Right.
difficult.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you know, I hope things will work out
Hopefully.
for you, you know, so that you can at least make something out of
Right.
farming because it
Yeah.
is what you know and do and love actually.
Yeah,
All right.
And this is the way we have to do it, you know, we have nothing else here.
Yeah,
As
yeah.
a farming area, we live in it. We live in it. Yeah,
So you have to
farming
make use of the resources that you have.
Right.
Right.
From here to up by the Red Mall side and sometimes all 2 miles down the road we have to walk.
Yeah, because this
If we
one
left-
is far. You have
This
farms
one
that
no-
are further?
This one no far.
Oh
When we
my
left,
goodness.
I go help him, Mr. Coley. I go help him brother in the Red Mall area.
Yes.
I left 6 o'clock or 8:30 but just I reach.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
2:04. You understand?
6 and you reach 8:30, so you so that's over 2.5 hours.
Right.
Oh my goodness! And here we are thinking that this journey, the journey to here was
Sometimes
long.
all over them places where they have to do like a direct to or something same way.
So that mean when you say over there, so you mean you
That's my
cross, gone over Trelawney.
Yeah, go cross the river and go Trelawney.
Oh, you cross the border. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
But you can walk down by the river too, you know. And you can drive around the road and
Yeah.
this area road there now, the road if you go there, you know. Go
Yes.
Trelawney, but through the road kind of mash up now, so.
Oh, that's a bad road up
Yeah, you
there.
have to use foot on that the road or use any beast.
Okay, to get across.
Yeah.
So anyway you take it, it's challenging for you
Bad, man,
guys.
for real.
Challenging.
I
Wow.
see that from a little bit after to 7 down here from this morning. Because we are trying to so we can do before the rain. Yeah.
Yeah, because the rain starts early during the days.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God. So it's hard.
Very
The
hard.
farmers cry.
Farming, grind.
Yeah.
I think them are very cheap and lies are very dear.
Yeah. But I can promise you one thing, I won't boil down the price anytime I go to the market, all right? So that should start to help one person making a change, all right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so and I trust everything will work out for you. I know I hear you say the land is the difficult part of it. Getting the land to actually start to work is difficult.
Yeah.
So I hope that will work out for you somewhat, so at least you can get to plant some more crops.
Some more, yeah.
You live in the Pike area.
Yeah, right.
Right, Pike Manchester, guys.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Carlos, it was a
Okay,
pleasure
so-
talking to you.
Same too, not have a nice day.
Yeah,
Something,
man.
you know?
Yeah, man. Enough respect. We go for yourself.
All right.
All right.